So for this Canva tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to change the color of an image or a graphic using Canva. So I'm going to show you guys two different examples depending on if you guys have a graphic or if you guys have a photo. So in the first one, I have two pictures of paw prints for an animal. But since these are graphics, they're actually pretty easy to go ahead and change the color. So as you can tell, it's kind of like a brown outline with like a grayish kind of inside. So if you want to go ahead and change the color on a graphic, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and press on the graphic. Right beside edit image in the top left, you actually have two colors. These are the colors that are being used in this graphic. So if I want to go ahead and make the inside of the paw a little bit different, I'm going to go ahead and make it red. I can do that. And I want to go ahead and make the outside white. You can go ahead and do just that, and then that's the original. So that's actually a very easy way of doing it, just making sure that if it is a graphic, go ahead and press on it. Beside edit image in the top left, you can go ahead and change the colors. That is probably the easiest way to do it. However, not all the time you're going to be dealing with graphics, so that is 100% okay. If you want to go ahead and use an image, so as you can tell right here, I have a picture of a nice cheetah. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and press on it. As you can tell, edit image in the top left, there's actually no way of changing the color. Not the end of the world. Here's a quick solution you can do. It's not a perfect system, but I think it'll do the trick for this video, hopefully. So what I'm going to do here is go to edit image. And now that I'm on edit image, I have a whole bunch of different edit image options. What I want to do here is scroll down to where it says color mix. So we're going to go ahead and go to see all. So I know you can tell right here in color mix, there's none, rainbow, Arctic, marine, marmalade, doesn't really matter. Go ahead and press one of them. So we're going to go ahead and I want to press Arctic right here. Once you press that, it changes it to blue. So if you want to keep it blue, by all means, but if you want to go ahead and change it to another color, go ahead and press C controls here. And right where it says hue, I want you to play with this bar. So right now it's at blue, but if we swat it to the left, it changes it to more of like a teal color, and then to more of a green color, and then to more of like a yellow color, orange, pinkish, red, purple, all these colors here. So if you go ahead and play with this hue bar, you can kind of change the color of the saturation and to change the color of the cheetah if you want. So let's say you want that. If you want to go ahead and change the saturation, make it really more black and white, you can. If you want to make it more colorful, you can as well. So just slide that bar to the right. Once you're kind of happy with the mix that you got, I would go ahead and press apply. And there you go. You change the color of the cheetah a little bit. So hopefully this video did help you out. I know this is not a perfect way of doing this. It's a lot easier if you do have a graphic to change it. But if you want to go ahead and change a photo, that's probably my suggestion. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you guys did learn something from this video. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one.